I'm having signal problems, so I just got off the phone with my parents, and look at the moon right now. It's risen like a couple of now, but it was just coming over. We had a huge lightning strike that struck right behind those condominiums over there, where you see that bright light. And now we got a thunderstorm over there. I tried to set up its time lapse to get the storm out on the ocean, but the lightning or the signals is not good enough. So please tell me I got that. Ah, dang it! It was zoomed in, and it's right at the part of the building where I can't get a good angle. Think of that one. Nice, got a lightning strike over there. And over here. Great, I got dual thunderstorms I gotta keep track of. Hello. Nice. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna have to end the video. Well, let's see if I can go out and get anything from the balcony. But unfortunately, like I said, the storm's at the part of the building where it's next to impossible to get a good shot. So I'm like kind of pissed off. A little pissed off. So you're gonna land. Oh, fudge. Who's calling?